Welcome to Navin Raj at Sunshare channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the sanitation, importance of sanitation. And this sanitation, all the steps we are going to understand by conducting various activities. So let us learn the importance of sanitation in school as well as in day-to-day routine by conducting certain activities. Clean schools don't just fight germs, they build character and foster respect. Let's create a culture of cleanliness.
A very good afternoon to everyone present over here. Myself, Nutanam Turkani from grade 7B. Our in-charge teacher is Rajgoda sir. Our group name is Sanitation Soldier. Today we are here to perform a skit on sanitation. Our group is committed to spreading awareness about the importance of cleanliness, hygiene and proper waste management. I am Nutan playing the role of Laila, a student. Vidya playing the role of Miss Belly, a teacher. Shama playing the role of Sophia, a student. Aisha playing the role of Luna, a student. Arushi playing the role of Ava, a student. Pavan playing the role of Danny. Arhadya playing the role of Rita, a student. Kritika playing the role of Mia, a student. Arundhati playing the role of Emma, a student. Sani playing the role of Isabel, a student.
Good morning class. Today we are going to talk about sanitation, how keeping ourselves and our surroundings clean. Who can say what sanitation means?
Is it just washing hands and cleaning up?
That's a part of it, Ava. Sanitation is about safe practices like using clean water, disposing of waste properly and preventing germs.
Germs like invisible little monsters?
Yes, Isabel. Germs are tiny organisms that can make us sick. Now, why do you think sanitation is important?
So we don't get diseases like diarrhea or flu?
Exactly, Laila. Poor sanitation can spread illness. What happens if we do not wash our hands before eating?
Probably nothing. I forgot to wash my hands all time. Sophia, that's gross. You could get food poisoning or infections.
Emma is right. Germs on your hands can enter through your body. Always wash your hands with soap and water, especially after using restroom or playing outside.
But what about when we are outside playing soccer? Can germs be everywhere?
Yes, Luna, that is why you have to carry hand sanitizer when you don't have access to water.
Miss Billy, what about the environment if we litter? Doesn't it affect sanitation?
Great question, Mia. Improper waste disposal creates breeding ground for flies, mosquitoes and rats which spread diseases. We must keep our surroundings clean.
We can use apps and gadgets for sanitization.
That's a creative idea, Dani. There are apps that remind you to drink clean water, wash your hands or even track community cleanliness.
I'm trying to ask this, but how often should we clean the bathrooms at home?
That's not a silly question, Rita. Restrooms should be cleaned daily to prevent mold, bacteria and bad odors.
Can we fight germs with lasers?
Not quite, Isabel, but UV light is used in some places to kill bacteria.
Miss Billy, what we should do when there's no soap and water?
Good question. You can use hand sanitizers with at least 60% of alcohol. But remember, hand sanitizer don't remove dirt. Now let's wrap up. Good sanitation habits protect us and environment. Let us all pledge to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean.
Miss Billy. Remember, sanitation is everyone's responsibility. Let's work together to keep our communities clean and healthy. Thank you.
In sanitation, we are exploring the topic of hand washing. Hand washing is an important means to prevent spread of illness like food poisoning and healthcare associated infections. WHO, World Health Organization, recommends washing your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds before and after certain activities. Some key times to wash your hands include after using toilets, before and after eating, even when we not wash our hands properly, 44% of germs are still present in our hands. So make sure to dry your hands well after washing. Now, next, my teammate Arnav is going to explain the 7 steps of hand washing according to World Health Organization.
Rub hands palm to palm. Rub the back of both the hands. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Back of the finger to opposing palm with fingers interlocked.
Yes, sir. Rotational rubbing of right thumb clasped in left palm, vice versa. Rotational rubbing backward and front forward with clasped fingers to left hand in the right palm, vice versa. Wrap left hand over right wrist using rotational movements up to mid forearm, vice versa.
So my friends, you have learned that the hand washing is an important way, and you have learned the 7 ways of hand washing according to WHO. So make it sure that you will wash your hands properly and prevent the bacteria and germs from your hands. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Chandana, and today we are doing a act on sanitation. So our topic is sanitation and our group name is Elements Creativity. Our in charge sir is Rajgoda sir. So now we are doing act on sanitation. Our title is Sanitation Warriors and a village journey to cleanliness. So the characters that come is narrator, me, Priya Sanvi, and village head is Rajeshwari, and Dr. Anjali, farmer Mohan, Asha Didi, Rahul, Manisha, and Vikram. So let us start. Act 1. The wake up call. Since a village is a distress, garbage litters and the streets and water sources are contaminated. Village gather as a new news that the Manju, the young child, fallen in sick. Narrator. In this village means a Sundarpur where life once thrived harmony with nature. Poor situation has become a silent enemy.
Manju's sickness is a warning. We can't ignore this anymore. Why do we need to change? We lived like this for years.
Act 2. The Sanitation Awareness Campaign. Since Dr. Anjali and Aisha Didi arrived to talk to villagers about the sanitation and hygiene. Villagers of Sundarpur, illness like diarrhea and typhoid are spreading due to open defecation and garbage.
A clean environment starts with small steps. Proper toilets, waste disposal, and keeping water source clean. But how can we afford these changes?
Act 3. Action begins. Since a village led by Rahul and Priya were together to clean the village, this pick up garbage, segregate waste as build toilets.
Fine, I will help. Just because the water is keep better in. The water is looking cleaner already. My crops can thrive again. Let's do it. We can't wait for someone else to save us.
Act 4. The Transformation. Sundarpur is now a clean and thriving village. Gather to celebrate the success.
I am proud of you. Sundarpur is now modern village.
Cleanliness is not just about health. It brings dignity and pride to a community.
This is only the beginning. Let's continue to protect our village from pollution.
Hygienic village is the healthy village. Thank you.
Cleanliness is the foundation of good education, and a clean school ensures a healthy future.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sadhika S. Patil. I'm studying in 7th C grade, and today we have a science activity. And this group is headed by Rajgoda sir, and our group name is Sanitation Warriors. First of all,
Everyone, come eat your food and wash your hands and come, okay?
Okay.
Did you guys wash your hands?
No, we didn't. Why should we wash our hands?
You were playing outside, right? And you were playing cricket. The cricket bat was having so much dust and germs. It may go in your stomach and make you feel ill.
Okay, we'll wash our hands and come. Hey, Kusha. Hey, Hima, come, we'll wash our hands. We have washed our hands.
Thank you. Okay. Bye. You know, tomorrow I have a good news for you. Tomorrow your auntie, uncle and your cousins are coming.
Yay!
Why didn't you go to play today?
Our friends didn't come.
Oh, I know why they were ill. Because yesterday they came to our house and they didn't wash their hand before eating.
Yeah, now we know the importance of washing our hands. Thank you for telling us.
Yeah, let me see. Oh, hi! Hi, you all are fine? You can go and play with your siblings. They're standing over there.
So, but
Let's play. It was really very good, yeah. Let me go and play for them. Shoot. Stone, paper, scissors, shoot. Please take the paper, scissors, shoot. Stone, paper, scissors, shoot. Stone, paper, scissors, shoot. It's your juice time!
Yay! Thank you for the juice.
Now you can go outside and play cricket, but wear your mask and keep sanitizer. Okay.
Akka, you know how Mishka Masi will do something? She will do like this with her hair, always styling Akka.
should not say like that. She's a Masi.
No, Akka, really.
Let's go home.
Are you okay?
No, we are not feeling well.
Let's go home.
Auntie, they are not feeling well.
Did you wear your mask? No.
No, we forgot.
Let me bring some medicine. Take some hot water.
Thank you.
See, because of not wearing mask, you got cold and cough.
Sorry, we'll not do it again.
We have to wear masks and sanitizers to protect ourselves from germs which enter to our nasal cavity, and we have to wear sanitizers to protect our hands from germs. If we eat with those dirty hands, we'll fall sick.
Brushing is a very important process as it cleans our teeth. When we eat our food, there are many microbacteria which can even go into our stomach. If we brush our teeth at least twice a day, the germs will be dying and our stomach will be clean and our teeth will also not decay.
Bathing is the most important part of the day. When we bath, all the body parts, when we go out, all the body parts have stick with the bacteria. When we bath, all the bacteria vanishes. So, bathing is the most important step for a day.
So this is the latest.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What have you made this class?
I've said them many times, but they litter in classroom.
It's not at all a good habit, okay? Let me appoint 4 monitors, cleanliness monitors. They should check every day that the classroom is clean or not, and they should tell teacher will come and say me.
Yes.
You 4 are the cleanliness monitors. I will come to your class again in next period and I will check it. If it is clean, good. If it is not clean, then I'm gonna punish you guys.
I'll take care of that.
And ma'am, please be seeing everything because this class it will not.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Very appreciative.
I've made checklist like daily. Yeah.
Very nice, ma'am. I appreciate your kids. Please clap for them.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you.
These all children will explain you the 7 steps of washing hands.
The first step of hand washing is first take the soap in a hand and put a little of water and then scrub your hands palm to palm.
The second step will be explained by Sandy.
You need to rub the back of your hands, both the back of your hands.
Now the third step will be explained by Srigar.
The third step to wash hands by, palm to palm and fingers interlocked. Fingers should be interlocked.
Now the fourth step will be explained by Viresh.
The fourth step is like this, with which the fingers back is going to be scrubbed with the soap.
Now the fifth step will be explained by Hriday.
The next step is we must rotate the thumbs like this. Both of the thumbs we must rotate like this, so the gap and the thumb will be clean.
Now the sixth step will be explained by Himavan.
Rotational rubbing of backward and forward of your left hand and right hand.
Now the last step, the seventh step will be explained by Kushal.
We should rub our wrist from other hand in rotational motion. Like this.
These were the 7 steps to wash your hands. If you follow these every day, your hands will be germs free.
Thank you.
Sanitation is dignity. Every student deserves it. Healthy students learn better. Sanitation makes it possible. And remember, hygiene is not a luxury, it's a necessity in education.
Hello everybody, myself Chaitra Subedda. I'm studying in 7th C. Our in-charge teacher is Rajgoda sir. Our activity is sanitization and topic name is Water Guardians. Hi everyone, I think we should start being more mindful about usage water. It's crazy how much we waste water even without realizing it.
Yeah, like leaving the tap running when we brush our teeth. It's a small thing, but it takes for over time.
Good point, Sammy. I have started turning off the water when I brush my teeth every day. So we all try to do that.
I also been taking a shorter showers and set a time so I not go overboard. It has been helping me save me water.
By fixing leaking taps, we can save a lot of water, and a drop of water also wasted of glooms.
Yeah, totally. I have leaking shower head since weeks and haven't gone near it to haven't thought of it of fixing it. So we should save water by fixing the leaking taps and shower heads.
We could switch to water efficient appliances. I heard that dishwasher with full load saves more water than washing by hand. True, and we could collect rainwater for watering plants. My garden is been thriving using rainwater alone. Great idea, everyone. Let's make a plan and remind each other to save water. Every drop contains. Let's do it! Thank you!
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanvi. We are studying in 7th C. Our in-charge teacher is Rajgoda sir. Our group is class scholars. We are going to present a skit on classroom cleanliness.
What happens? The classroom looks like a dustbin bin. Who is responsible here?
I saw Vaishnavi and Sambram throwing papers. I told them to stop, but they didn't. Oh, it's just a little fun. It's funny. How should we keep our classroom clean? Turfia, they are just papers.
Why to make the classroom clean? It's not our job to clean it.
We should clean it up.
Oh, it's...
As your feeling is good, let's clear up. And Samram and Vaishnavi, as you have made this list, everyone grab a group or a dustbin.
Oh, it's only that I don't want to hear Tanvi's lecture again.
Alright,
Yes, exactly. As long as quick.
We can switch our responsibilities by turns and make our classroom clean.
Perfect plan. Let's go and talk to the principal about putting up more dustbins around the school.
Cleanliness isn't the janitor's job, it is our all's responsibility.
Good job, class. We should care about our class and sanitation in our class. It's very good of you of thinking about the class.
Classrooms without cleanliness, like books without knowledge, empty and ineffective. So, I hope now you understand the importance of sanitation in your life and at your school. So, if you want to stay healthy and fit, follow all the sanitation steps and such more informative videos. Follow our channel. Stay curious, stay inspired. Thank you very much.